everyone, so for today's video I have put together a curly hair journey starter pack. So this is everything that I think is necessary for you to have the best results on your curly hair journey. Someone actually left a comment and it sparked the idea for this video, so thank you very much. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe. If you are new here, welcome. My name is Dana. I make curly hair videos and other various beauty and makeup and skincare and other stuff like that. I do have two other videos that map out this entire process. I talk about my experience personally, and I also have a video on how to start your curly hair journey. So if you are looking to start your transition to healthier hair, be sure to watch those two videos as well as this one, and you'll be all set. So I guess the first things that I'll start off with are your products that you're going to need. Be thinking, oh crap, I'm gonna need a ton. Really, there are 6 products that I think that you should have in your arsenal, especially if you are just starting out. The first being a good shampoo and conditioner. So the shampoos that I gravitated towards in the beginning of my journey were ones that were very moisturizing. The thing is when your hair is in that beginning stage, it's very dry. So any moisture that you can get in your hair is amazing, and a really good base for that is a good shampoo. A few of my favorites are the Diva Curl Low Poo, the Shea Moisture Green Coconut, as well as the Not Your Mother's Charcoal and Moonstone. Those are all really good options. And then for conditioners, again, you just want something that's very moisturizing. Of course, no silicones. Silicones block any real penetrating abilities of any other products that are going to give your hair health benefits or just kind of, make it stronger and shinier and things like that. A few of my favorite conditioners are the Diva Curl One Condition and the corresponding conditioners to the shampoos that I just mentioned. Those are my go-tos and my favorites at the moment. When I first started my curly hair journey, I was using the Diva Curl pretty religiously. I also recommend that you have a deep conditioner. You're gonna want a deep condition at least once a week, even more depending on how many times you wash your hair. There are a ton of drugstore options that are really nice, but I was thinking, what is my favorite deep conditioner? And it's the Diva Curl Melt Into Moisture. This is probably the best deep conditioner I've ever used. This really gets into your hair and makes it healthy from the inside out. It's just so hydrating. It makes my hair so incredibly shiny and soft and manageable. I believe this is like 28 bucks for the tub, but highly, highly worth it in my opinion. Of course, this product is just a starting point, so if you have anything else that you like a lot more, feel free to use that, but deep conditioner should also be in your starter pack. Now we're moving on to the stylers, and this is the portion where I feel like a little bit of variety is good. So I'd recommend buying 3 stylers to start off with. I'd recommend getting a gel or a jelly product, a mousse, and a cream. This is a very general basis of the products that you are going to use. I think one from each category is enough to become a chemist for your curl cocktail, your mixologist, bartender, whatever you want to call it. You can play with ratios, you can play with omitting certain products, using all 3 products. It's just a good baseline for you, and then from there you can kind of decide, okay, well, I like this and this about this product, and then that will help you further along in your journey to kind of be able to decipher and decide, what maybe will work for you and what you don't think will. But I do think that having a small variety of stylers can be helpful. I think the biggest thing that can be really overwhelming is, of course, hair products in general. So starting off small, don't go out and buy like a million different products, and really work with those products individually as well, so you really get a feel for them. My next recommendation is not something that I actually used in the beginning of my journey. It's something that I used a little bit later on, but I wanted to include it in case some of you don't want to go without it, and that is a hairbrush. I mainly used my fingers to detangle. Now I use a few different brushes actually. I'm a big advocate of finger detangling because you get to really feel where the knots are, and you can really gently kind of like pull your hair through to untangle it. But I actually do use 2 brushes now. I use the Denman brush to apply my product, and then I use the Tangle Teaser to get rid of any knots while my hair is wet after the conditioner has been in it for a little while. But all this to say that you're gonna want to choose the most gentle form of detangling that you possibly can. For some of you that may be a wide tooth comb, for some of you that may be a Tangle Teaser or a wet brush or something like that. But I think having a brush option for those times where maybe your hair is just too knotted to even get your fingers through it is something I think that's good to have. Next on our list, we have a microfiber towel. This one specifically is from Diva Curl. There is also a towel that I have. I actually don't remember the brand it's from because it's in the washing machine right now, but I'm pretty sure it's from Amazon. I will link that down below. It's more of like a cotton texture, but it's really big, so that's great for plopping. Anyway, the point is you're gonna need some sort of towel that's not your typical towel that you use when you get out of the shower. We all know that, I don't even know, terry cloth, is that the fabric that's used? It causes frizz, it causes all sorts of bad stuff. So you want to be using a microfiber towel, a cotton t-shirt, or one of those like large cotton towels that I was just talking about. These are going to be great for plopping. They are great for getting rid of excess moisture in your hair without disrupting your curls and causing frizz and breakage. I definitely think you need one of these. Sort of in the same vein as a deep conditioner, I also think it's really important to condition and nourish your scalp. The best way to do this is with hair oils. The two that I have here that I really love are the Jamaican Black Castor Oil as well as the Strong Roots Red Pimento Hair Growth Oil. Jamaican Black Castor Oil is amazing for hair growth, density, thickness, shine, manageability, all that stuff. I know we like to focus on the ends a lot because it's the driest and oldest and usually the most damaged part of our hair, but our scalp is actually producing the new hair, so you want to make sure that that's nourished as well. So I love doing oil treatments. Those are my two favorite oils. Another product that I think has made a huge difference is my Hothead Thermal Cap. This one in particular, I don't think this pattern is available anymore. And there's also a cheaper option on Amazon that I will have in the description box below. But you basically microwave this and it holds on to heat, and you put a deep conditioner on, you put your hair oils on, whatever you want to do to treat your hair. The heat stays in this cap and it creates a nice warm environment for your hair. This is going to allow your deep treatments to penetrate your hair even more. You're going to get even more great benefits from it. I think that this is amazing, and I really think that everyone should have one of these. The last thing is definitely another optional thing, but I'm just gonna say it, while you're transitioning, while you're in your curly hair journey, you're gonna have some real shitty hair days. I think hair accessories are so important. Scrunchies, I have, wig of my hair in this. This one is from Free People. These are from the Slip brand, I believe. But scrunchies are great, obviously, for like styling purposes and cuteness, but they're also good for sleeping in at night, like those. I just dropped it, but that Slip scrunchie is silk, so it is pretty much what I use to pineapple my hair every single night. And then hair scarves are also another really fun way to kind of mask a bad hair day. I have actually a few different hairstyle videos if you're struggling. I have a video on hairstyles using all scarves. By the way, I'm working on something really exciting having to do with hair accessories, so stay tuned. The sun is slowly encroaching on my face, so I think that is going to wrap up today's video. As always, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope that you have an amazing day, an amazing rest of your week, and I will see you next time.